Alright, Papua New Guinea, welcome back. This video I'll be showing you how to use your mobile phone to write your lesson plan using the Chatgpt AI. There are a lot of AIs, but these are common ones. Okay, mobile phone lumia screen appear lo computer lumia use mouse na keyboard lo controlling. So first you come, suppose you installing it, you come lo one email here, and now chat lo Android when you Play Store. Finish you type in Chatgpt back in club name, installing this in application the club is start. After installing it, you go back to your phone and now you open in Chatgpt. Okay, after you open it, you set up either writing a lesson plan number grade, let's say grade 9 science. Maybe science will need science for grade 9. Grade 9 science, you like a lesson plan law, let's say respiration. Okay, so you go, you type now, asking ChatGPT, write a lesson plan for grade 9 science on respiration. Okay, now it's the full. When you give us a Vodafone, and it's easy to sensor, network and slow. Anyway, lucky. Okay, so this is the lesson plan out, grade 9 science, lesson plan, subject science, respiration, life and living strands of cell and organisms. Duration 1 to 2 periods, okay, maybe lesson to mass, 70 to 80 minutes, so limit 40 minutes period. So after you write it finish, you editing. So how about me show you that how to save it? Okay, lesson objective all the way down, key concepts, everything needs to be covered. Alright, go down, four, these are the important points. Okay, this is the actual plan here. You say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Now, these times are allocated based on this 80-minute period. So ours is 40 minutes, so you divide it properly. Come down. And more question and answers. Okay, I'm finished now. It says looks like you are offline. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, so now how are you saving? If you use your computer, normal video you save how the saving by mobile phone, and by need the saving so you talk about saving. You tell it the AI. Okay, so I'm going to do this now. This is what I do. Save the lesson plan as let's say downloadable. Document file. Finish. Just document the solution. Then by creating link now, you don't go to phone view. Install a phone view now, you selling goal on computer and editing now. Okay, so it's still working. Let's see. Time to open this. Let me see sister. Patient network. Patient. The worst combination is Vodafone plus Honor phone. If you put a Vodafone SIM card with Honor, network is really bad. Vodafone SIM with Samsung is alright. Done. Okay, you have reached your data analysis limit. Great. Wait for another 18 hours. Okay, so now looking. I'm link, yeah. So now kami download to the phone demi now. Okay. Okay, so I'm download to the phone, opening the phone. Okay, let me start. Okay, Islam start phone. Now, I'm going to check him below.